Game won't open due to the Ace-Safe.dll DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. Before we get started with Ace-Safe module, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Ace-Safe module, part of the anti-cheat expert, ACE, security environment, commonly used in titles like Delta Force or Arena Breakout. It operates at the kernel level to monitor for unauthorized process manipulation. Because of its invasive nature, it often causes conflicts with other security software. If missing, the game will refuse to join online matches, reporting an anti-cheat initialization failed error. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Ace-Safe is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Ace-Safe module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Be aware that manual fixes for Ace-Safe module DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Ace-Safe module. If Ace-Safe module is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.